Jilcat Proline Ultra Friction Reducer. Are you experiencing a vibration and shudder problem with your CVT transmission? Does your 5.3 Chevrolet produce annoying lifter ticking noise? Is your Hemi having oil pressure issues, rattling at startup? Are you hearing a tick or looking at a cam phaser issue in your Ford 5.4 valve? Is your mechanic quoting you thousands of dollars in transmission or engine repairs? Jilcat Proline Ultra Friction Reducer goes to work immediately. Keep the hard-earned money you would have spent on high-dollar repairs in your wallet. Every problem has a solution. Not all mechanics know everything that is available. According to research, the cost to overcome friction can account for almost 10% of the gross national product (GNP) in various countries. The best verified lubricant solution can save up to 1% of GNP. Jilcat Ultra Friction Reducer and Metal Conditioner. The science behind Jilcat is engineered for aerospace, used by our military, and tested in professional racing. What's more, these patented eco-friendly lubricant products are made in America. Jilcat products with patented hydrocarbon technology decrease metal water, reduce component heat, and increase fuel range for superior and enduring performance. Jilcat's friction-reducing additives, supplements, and treatments are infused in oils or applicable fluids used for engines, transmissions, CVTs, and all weapons. They are also utilized in industrial equipment, turbines, ships, and aircraft powertrains. The products do not contain chemicals, dense metal particles, zinc, or mercury. Jilcat products will purify the engine by removing carbon, corrosion, rust, and sludge buildup through an electrostatic process, while helping prevent additional damage by bringing the metal back to its original state and allowing the return of factory oil pressure. The application of Jilcat supplements will eliminate friction, which will ultimately reduce operating temperature, slow component wear, and provide an upsurge of power in your engine. Jilcat Prolines has a proven track record, certified by the internationally acclaimed laboratory in San Antonio, Texas. Jilcat is committed to returning your engine to the excellent running machine it once was. Shop Jilcat for ultimate performance of your engine. For more information, please visit www.jilcat.com. You can also call 855-825-2111.